Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Identify the structure X shown in the figure F1. So what is this structure F? This is actually the round ligament. This structure X is round ligament. Then identify the structure X marked in the figure 1 F1. This is the structure F. It is actually fossa navicularis. This is fossa navicularis. All of the following pelvic structures will support the vagina except the structures which all of the following pelvic structures will support the vagina except perineal body, pelvic diaphragm and levator ani will support the vagina, but not infundibulopelvic ligament does not support the vagina. Then all of the following are related to lateral vaginal fornix except ureters, McEnroe ligament and uterine artery are related to lateral vaginal fornix. Inferior vesical artery is not related to the lateral vaginal fornix. Ureters, McEnroe ligament and uterine artery are related to lateral vaginal fornix but not the inferior vesical artery. Then
thank you and thank you for watching.